Hi guys, welcome back to Sajin Explains. If you are in IT and worried about AI taking your job, stop scrolling. Today I am going to share 6 IT roles AI will probably never replace because these jobs require human judgment, empathy, leadership and messy decision making. If you want to future-proof career in tech, listen carefully. I'm Sajin. I talk about career, tech trends and practical advice. I will explain why these 6 roles are safe, what they actually do, and how you can move towards them, even if you are starting from legacy skills. First one is enterprise solution architect, the big picture thinkers. Enterprise architects design how systems fit together, all on premise apps, cloud services, APIs, middleware, security, and business processes. Their job is not just technical, it is about trade offs, stakeholder perception, governance, and long term strategy. AI can suggest diagrams or options, but it cannot decide which business goal to prioritize, negotiate budget and politics, or convince leadership to change direction. That human judgment keeps architects indispensable. Number two, technical product managers. That means turning ideas into real products. Product managers take a messy business idea and convert it into a product roadmap. They balance customer needs, engineering constraints, market timing, and stakeholder politics. Yes, AI will help PMs with analytics, user research, and prototypes. But no model can replace the human craft of aligning leadership, claiming, calming terms, and making trade offs under uncertainty. PMs lead people, not just processes. Number three, cybersecurity professionals. When a breach happens, you need human creativity. Hackers are unpredictable, opportunistic, and often social engineering based. Security pros investigate, make judgment calls in hours of crisis, and decide which systems to isolate first. In a real emergency, you want a human who can weigh legal, business, and reputational consequences. And AI can't be trusted to make those high stakes call alone. And the fourth one would be site reliability and platform engineers. SREs keep system running when everything breaks. Outages are messy, cascading, and context dependent. AI can surface metrics or possible fixes, but deciding the safest next step, calming customers, coordinating cross teams, and managing the human side of incident, that is human work. SREs also build the culture and post-mortems that prevent repeat disasters. That human judgment matters. And the fifth one, IT governance, the rule keepers. GRE professionals ensure the company follows laws, standards, and audits. A reputation change, expectation happens, and regulators demand accountable people who can explain decisions. You can't delegate responsibility to a black box tool. Humans must interpret laws, negotiate with auditors, and make ethical choices when rules conflict that make GRC roles inherently human. And the sixth, CXOs and senior business leaders. CEOs, CEOs, CTOs, and other direct reporters make business decisions, mergers, product bids, acquisitions, market pivots. They use data and automation. But ultimately must take responsibility and lead organizations through ambiguity. AI will be a tool, a powerful one, but not a replacement for leadership that balances people, vision, and risk. So, what should you do if you want to be safe from AI disruption? Follow these 3 steps. Shift from tasks to decisions. Learn to make trade offs and explain them. Build stakeholder skills. Communication, influence, negotiation. These are hard to automate. Upskill in adjacent tech, cloud, data security, and product thinking make you more valuable. If you found this insightful, subscribe and share and drop a comment. Which of the 6 roles would you target? Or which role do you think I missed? I will read your replies. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.